Which bird flies for long hours?
Albatross. Which bird cannot fly? Ostrich. Which bird mimic humans? Parrot. What is the fastest bird in the world? Peregrine falcon. Which bird is famous for its dance? Peacock. Which bird flies backwards? Hummingbird. Which bird lays largest eggs? Ostrich. Which is the smallest bird in the world? Hummingbird. Which bird can hold 3 gallons of water? Pelican. Which bird can kill humans? Cassowary. Which bird has a beard, wattle, and snood? Turkey. Which of these birds can also called a pigeon? Dove. Which of these birds is able to turn its head 270 degrees? Owl. Which bird has stomach acid more potent than the acid found in car batteries? Turkey vulture. Although native to South America, which bird is now in New York? Monk parrot. Thanks for watching.